Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. I had a really productive day today. I shot 2 videos, I edited one of them. I went out with a friend of mine to grab some coffee and now I'm back home ready to unwind. Since I'm 37, I have to take special care of my skin. I shoot almost 3 to 4 times a week and the harsh lights and the makeup, they all make my skin dull. I also have to go out and meet people and the pollution damages my skin. So I thought of making this video since I changed my nighttime routine. I have been using a couple of products in my nighttime routine and I love them since I've seen a difference in my skin. I thought of introducing them to you guys and making a video because I absolutely love them. I have been following Satyav's Ayurvedic overnight repair regimen, which complements the natural repair that our body does to our skin. It's also got a powerful combination of natural bioactives, waking you up to fully rejuvenated and glowing skin. And the best thing is that these products work on my skin and repairs my skin while I sleep. Skin makes new collagen while you sleep, which prevents sagging, and our body boosts blood flow to the skin while we sleep, which ensures we wake up to healthy skin. So products work better and our skin focuses on repairing itself while we sleep. So that's why good sleep plays an integral part in maintaining great skin. So Satyav's overnight regimen comes with 2 products. Satyav's aloe vera and saffron gel with Kumkumadi Thailam and Satyav's Kumkumadi Thailam. I make sure that I use Ayurveda for my overnight repair because most of the time I use cosmetic or synthetic beauty products or makeup in the morning. Satyv offers the regimen needed just for this purpose as it helps heal my skin from within and makes my skin glow. So I use the aloe gel first and I love the packaging. It looks very earthy and very rustic. It's a gel texture, it's very lightweight and it gets absorbed easily. The fragrance is very fresh, it's very Ayurvedic and very raw, as if somebody just freshly grounded the herbs. It is infused with saffron and Kumkumadi Thailam. You can see the saffron threads in the gel. I have sensitive skin and I have to be very careful while applying new products on the skin. I instantly fell in love with this after the first application. It is 100% natural and it's great for sensitive skin and you just need a tiny amount. The first time I applied it, I was just surprised by the amount of hydration it gives to my skin. You just need a tiny amount and it's very hydrating and it gives a natural glow. I could see some of my blemishes fading and it gives an even skin tone. And about the ingredients, it's super safe. Satyv has its own organic farm, Satyvana, and the ingredients are ethically sourced from their organic farm. The next one I use is the Kumkumadi Thailam. Again, I love the packaging. It's in a matte glass bottle just like the other one. It's a facial oil. The color is saffron. You just need a tiny amount and it gets absorbed quickly. Again, the fragrance is very pure. It's very raw. It's Ayurvedic and it's very spa-like. I am a fan of the Kumkumadi Thailam. It's a night facial oil and it works overnight. It repairs and rejuvenates tired skin, making it look healthy from within. It just gives such a beautiful glow to your skin. It's an exotic night serum which has got a combination of rich ingredients like saffron, aloe vera, sandal and vetiver, which gives a beautiful golden Vedic glow to your face. It prevents acne, repairs sun damage, reduces fine lines and minimizes uneven skin tone. So guys, this was my nighttime routine and I've been using these products since the past 1.5 weeks. Your nighttime skincare routine is a lot more important than you think, and so it should not be ignored if you wish to have healthy, radiant, youthful looking skin. If you're looking for 100% natural Ayurvedic treatment for your skin, then this is the best investment that you can do. I'm saying this from my personal experience with the products. I'll mention the links in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. If you're a skincare junkie like I am, I think you should go ahead and invest in these 2 products because you just need the tiniest amount and it will do wonders to your skin. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you liked my updated skincare routine. Do let me know in the comment section below if you've already used any of these products, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.